Si Ate Bing, ang kasama natin, kilala niyo po siya, Women's 9 Ball Champion, Asian 10 Ball Runner-Up, and a major awardee of the upcoming PSA Awards where he is sa Amit Cup Season 3, Leg 3 dito sa Pasay City, and this is their semifinals and finals competition. At pag-uusapan natin kung anong mga latest sa kanyang buhay pagpasok sa 2025 bilang isa sa mga top billiard players ng ating bansa. Ate Bing, kilala na marami, kilala niyo man siguro ako, at of course sa ating mga followers. Magandang hapon, welcome to the program.
Hi, magandang hapon. Maraming salamat, Gab, sa pagbisita mo sa amin dito sa Amit Cup.
And this is the second time, dahil last time nandun tayo sa may Quezon City.
Yes.
Tumawid lang muna tayo ng Pasay City para naman dito sa second day ng Leg 3. Pero kahapon nandun kayo sa Sampaloc. Sa may Espanya yata yung mismong competition, yung ating mga preliminaries sa Sky J. So, what's your assessment so far ng ating Leg 3? Dahil balita ko, 140 participants ang lumahok dito sa competition.
Yes, 140 po ang registered players natin, women players natin, the most so far. So, talagang kami ni Ren De Vera, co-founder of the Amit Cup, together with the team, the MEDC team, talagang naghahanda rin kami in terms of the flow, of kung paano namin gawin na mas efficient yung pagpatakbo po ng Amit Cup. Dahil yun nga po, parami tayo ng parami. Kaya we're very thankful na venues have been partnering with us. Sky J Billiard Hall po sa Manila, and ito pong VIP Billiard Hall dito naman po sa Pasay.
And of course, naging efficient, naging maganda ang sistema ninyo with regards doon sa mga categories doon sa advanced and intermediate, para at least mag-gain yung chances yung ating mga Pinay pool players na magpakitang gilas niya sa larangan niya ng billiards through the efforts niya ng ating Amit Cup. Dahil every leg na I noticed na dumarami at dumarami pa. At I think sa leg 4 or grand finals, aasahan natin, mas marami pa ang aasahan natin dito.
Sa leg 4 po, I believe baka mag-increase tayo ng number. But then sa grand finals po, nakalimit po tayo sa top 16 ng bawat division based on their ranking po.
Okay, so top 16, yung mga top place in all legs, i-combine na lang yung rankings para makapasok na dun sa grand finals, which is happening on when?
We are targeting either April or May.
Okay, so April to May or May, pero yung leg 4 would be February or March.
Yes,
na.
we are thinking, we are targeting March po. Kasi the whole month of February po, nasa US ako for the Predator Tournament. We're competing in 3 events. So, medyo busy po tayo nitong Feb. So, tinitingnan po namin month for the leg 4 is March.
Mamaya natin pag-usapan yung 2025 tournaments, but let's discuss more dito sa inyong award na tatanggapin by January 27 sa Manila Hotel, ang ating Philippine Sports Writers Association Awards, kung saan paparangal ka bilang isa sa mga major awardees. That is because you won the World 9 Ball Championship, the Asian 10 Ball Runner-Up, and several achievements upon your criteria na of course na ibigay ng PSA, lalo na yung inyong role ninyo sa Amit Cup to help propagate yung ating women's billiards. Ano masasabi mo sa panibagong parangal na ibibigay sa inyo ng PSA, knowing that you also once a Athlete of the Year before ng PSA?
Yes, I'm very grateful po sa PSA dahil talagang tuloy-tuloy ang suporta nila at ang pagbigay po nila ng recognition sa lahat po ng efforts na ginagawa po natin. Maraming salamat po ulit. I look forward po to receiving the award on the 27th.
At abangan natin, because Watch Corner PH will be there in the venue. But of course, we also mention also other members of our Philippine Billiards team and several stars na nag-ginga sa iba't ibang competitions na nag-award nga dito sa PSA Awards. Si Carlo Biado kasama rin, Johan Chua kasama rin, si AJ Manas. I believe Tony Sidayo Award yata si AJ Manas dyan sa PSA, and we're looking forward for a great presence na dito sa awards night. na asa natin, ang dami mga sports stars ang mapaparangalan led by Carlos Yulo who will win the Athlete of the Year award. Excited ka ba na makasalamuhan mo ulit yung mga ating mga awardees?
Of course, of course. It's something na, it's an event that I look forward to kasi magkakasama po yung mga atleta at sama-sama po kaming binibigyan ng recognition. It's something na I'm excited and again, I look forward to.
So, 2024 is, sabihin natin, big year for you because nabagit ko, World 9 Ball Champion, Asian Open runner-up, and several achievements upon your bag. Anong greatest impact for you itong 2024 para sa inyong growth sa pagiging bilyarista?
I guess this year kasi I really focus on developing yung physical side of my game. So, more on mga physical exercises and mental preparation, including vision training as well. So, I think yun po talaga yung naging difference for this year. Kung bakit din po medyo very blessed to have a very good 2024, and I'm hoping to continue it to 2025, but to continue meaning to continue the work. When it comes naman po dun sa achievement, all we can do is just to really prepare. Hindi natin masabi kung mapupunta sa atin ang
may dedepensa mo ang inyong mga napatanong ng titulo nga sa competition dahil nakapokus ka na yan sa pag-improve not just on your physical, your mental, and strengthening para at least maging capable ka to win more titles para sa Pilipinas nga, Ate Bing. And of course, sa 2025, nabasa ko lang, you will be competing in 3 tournaments sa Pebrero sa Predator, no? And one of them is the doubles match kung sa makakasama mo, one of our billiards legends, sabihin natin mga GOATs natin, si Francisco Django Bustamante. Gano'n ka excited na makapartner ka ulit kay parang Django?
I'm really excited about it kasi nakapag-partner na po ako with the GOAT, Tatay Efren, twice. And kami naman ni Coach Django, si Coach Django yung talagang kasama ko in training dito po sa Philippine Sports training venue po natin. And dahil kami nagbibiroan, so it's going to be, feeling ko magkukulitan kami ni Coach. So it's a different, I think si Tatay Efren kasi is more serious. Pagdating naman kay Coach Django, I think more of kulitan ang mangyayari sa amin. So I look forward to it. I'm sure it's going to be a fun tandem. Okay.
Ano ba mga adjustments ninyo sa pag-resume ninyo ng training ninyo for the Predator match, 3 tournaments ng Predator sa US?
Well, right now kasi si Coach is abroad. He's also competing. So we were able to practice once. And I think it's more of just trusting each other na pareho naman na experience sa laro. So, just to, but of course, iba pa rin ang experience ni Coach Django. So, sinabi ko naman sa kanya na magtatanong ako sa kanya pag may hirapan ako, especially pagdating sa mga diskarte kasi Coach Django is one of the players na I really look up to when it comes to mga counter safety, sa mga diskarte sa laro.
Okay, what's your overall reflections sa 2024 na nagdaan na maaari mong sundan o sabihin nating gawin ninyo by 2025? That will be definitely a busy year for Philippine Billiards. Kasi sabi natin, 2024, based sa mga year-enders natin, ito na siguro ang pinaka-best year ng Philippine Billiards sa ating bansa dahil sa sobrang dami ng mga natamong achievements sa ating mga Philippine Billiards and of course yung iba pa mga liga natin. Anong reflections mo na 2020 mo na maaari mong gawin by 2025?
For me personally, it's really just to continue everything that I've been doing with swimming under Coach Al Gonzalez, vision training under Dr. Charlie Ho, Doc Maya, Uy, kay Sir Mark, and then training under Coach Django, of course, and what else pa ba? It depends po kasi I try to go to the gym, but it depends if malapit kasi yung laro, medyo nahihirapan ako with muscle memory. But if not, I go under Coach Alan naman. So actually marami. And then now, I'm very fortunate na I've partnered with a Sir Gorby. So, yun naman po, it's one of the things also na once na, kasi it's always, yung back po kasi talaga ang nagiging issue ko ever since. So, I'm really looking forward to that partnership also.
Okay, lastly, I saw a post sa Facebook. Nakita ko yung mga parents niyo, si mama at papa, who is actually helping yung mga kapwa deboto natin sa Nazareno by giving them yung mga libreng pagkain, libreng tubig. At of course, it symbolizes yung matagal na faith at devotion ninyo kay God. Of course, kay Jesus Nazareno, para at least may pagpatuloy ninyo ang inyong mga achievements ninyo, and of course maging kumpleto ang inyong mga pamilya sa nagdaang 2025. Ano masasabi mo sa kindness na binibigay ng parents sa ating mga deboto natin?
Nakakatuwa nga po kasi actually sa totoo lang medyo nag-worry ako kasi talagang seniors na yung parents ko, but then talagang sila naglakas loob sila. It's their first time to experience po na magbigay at tumulong po, because yung cousin ko po and his family talagang mga deboto sila at saka talagang nag-donate sila, and nayaya po yung parents ko this time. Sabi ko nga hopefully next year kung walang conflict sa schedule, I could also join them kasi gusto ko rin to be able to help and to experience it as well. So with that, I'm very proud of my parents for doing it, and hindi sila nagdalawang isip considering nga po yung age nila at saka yung physical capacity. Talagang gusto lang nila to be able to help and to lalo na po yung ang dami palang deboto talaga ng Black Nazarene.
So, it is the way of giving back na rin sa community, not just sa Quiapo, but on yourself, sa Women Billiard community, dahil ongoing nga yung Amit Cup, and we're really proud of you and what natamo nga dito sa nagdang 2024, lahat ng mga tagumpay, lahat ng mga pagsisikap ninyo. I give kudos to you and to our Pinoy billiard players natin. So, bago tayo magpaalam, magpasalamat ka na sa PSA at sa iba pa mga taga-suporta na rin ng Philippine Billiards as we enter the year of the snake 2025.
I would like to say thank you po ulit sa PSA for the award that given us po sa billiards and sa mga atletang Pilipino po. Malaking bagay po yun sa amin na nare-recognize po ang efforts po namin. I would also like to thank everyone who supports the billiard team po. Talagang napakaganda ng 2024 po natin. Sana po magtuloy-tuloy dahil talagang for me personally, I find joy and fulfillment kapag nakikita ko yung sport that I love is growing, and yung mga nag-represent din po ng bansa natin, na kapwa natin Pilipino, ay nagtatagumpay. So I'm very happy with everything that's been happening. Maraming salamat po.
At of course, Amit Cup sponsors na rin. And of course, mga benefactors na rin.
Yes, of course, for the Amit Cup naman po, I would like to thank Gabby of Scarab for being there, dahil kung hindi po talaga sa kanya, hindi po ito magiging consistent. Makikita naman po natin na talagang yung mga women players natin tuloy-tuloy din na nag-i-improve to our sponsors, Men's, Predator, Bucor Resort, Usana, to our partner venues, SkyJ, VIP, of course to the MEBC team, to our donors, Sintan, Aria, Briani Brothers. I hope I didn't miss anything na, no? But I would like to really thank everyone who's been there. Kayo po,
Sports Corner,
Sir Gab, to everyone, to the media people, also
PTV4,
to the other media people who have been supporting us. Maraming salamat po. Hindi lang po kasi ito talaga about just the Amit, but it's a group of women players who are supporting each other. Sana po sa very soon, meron pa po madagdagan kami ni Cheska na nagre-represent ng bansa sa babaeng side naman.
And we're hoping na sana makapag-produce pa tayo ng marami pang world champion sa babae, sa billiards. And we'll see you sa January 27 sa awards night. Kaya
I'll see you there, guys.
hindi na kita mai-interview pa sa award. Bibigyan kita ng daan. Giveaway muna tayo sa ibang mga interviews. More power, God bless, and all the best.
Happy New Year!
Yeah.